welcome back guys sa my channel. So, may panibagong video naman tayo ngayon. So sorry, matagal akong nawala. And now, so nakikita niyo, no? So, nakikita niyo ngayon is nagka-transition na tayo from acoustic to electric. And, salamat sa Diyos, no? Nakapag-electric tayo. So, itong tutorial na ito, it is a full song tutorial of The Lips of an Angel, yung kinaver ko. So nandito sa link sa baba yung link ng cover ko about this song, on this song. So simulan na natin, no? So yung chords na yung ginamit natin dito is that. So first is dapat may electric kayo, so naka standard tuning to, and wag nyo muna yung i-on yung distortion because sa part na ito, walang distortion eh. So, yung gagamitin natin na chords is A minor, tsaka B na minor. Pagkatapos ng B minor is the G. Pagkatapos ng G, balik sa A minor. Or, ito na A minor shape. So, ganun lang. Paulit-ulit lang yan. So, ganito yung pattern niya. Sa plucking, ipopost ko dito yung tabs ng plucking. So, papasok na dun yung verse. Honey, why you calling me so? Pasensya na sa boses. It's kinda hard to joke right now. Honey, why you cry? Is everything okay? I don't whisper cause I can't be too loud. So after dun, di ba, paulit-ulit lang yung chords from A, B minor, G, at saka A minor. So after dun is i-on yan dito na part sa pre-chorus yung well, my girl's in the next room. Sometimes dito na part is i-on nyo na yung distortion nyo kasi we're going to rock. So after nyo ma-on is yung chords na nandito sa pre-chorus is paulit-ulit lang din, but iba siya sa verse 1. So una yung chorus ay chords na gagamitin natin is yung D. Well, my girl's in A minor, the next room. At yung ipa-pluck nyo lang guys is from the bass note, which is the 5th string, is tatlong string lang, 5th string, 4th string, at saka 3rd string. Yan lang yung ipa-pluck mo while naka-distortion kayo. So ganito yung tunog. Well, my girl's in, tatlo lang dito din, my next room. So after ng A, lipat kayo ng B minor. Same lang din yung root note. So sana ba ako? So, well, my girl's in the next room. Sometimes I wish it was you. So yung chords na ginamit natin is D, A minor, B minor, at saka balik sa G. So paulit-ulit lang yan guys, dalawang ulitin yan. So all in all, ganito yung tunog niya. Well, my girl's in the next room. Sometimes I wish she was you. I guess we never really moved on. It's really good to. So after ng pre-chorus, papasok tayo ng chorus. So yung chords ng chorus is a bit similar sa pre-chorus. So yung chords ng chorus is ganito. D, naka-D siya pa rin. It's really good to hear your voice. A minor. And sound so sweet. Calling for the lips of an angel. Hearing those words makes me weep. So ganito siya guys. So yung chords natin ginamit is D, Same yung pattern ng pag-pluck, 'di ba? Wag nyo i-pluck yung lower string kasi hindi siya magandang pakinggan while naka-distortion. Yeah, i-pluck nyo na lang yung mga bass note. So, ganito yung mga bass note. D, A minor. Pagkatapos ng A minor, C. Punta kayo sa C. So, ganito yung C niya. So, naka-bar dyan at saka ito yung shape. So, after ng C, balik kayo sa G. So, yan. Paulitin nyo na lang yan din. Dalawa yung beses ulitin. So, it's really good to hear your voice say my name. It sounds so sweet. Calling for the lips of an angel. Hearing those words makes me weak. Let it die. I know what to say goodbye, but girl, you make it hard to be faithful. So, kuha nyo yan, guys. So, after ng paulit-ulit ng dalawang chords ng progression ng D, A minor, C, at saka G, after dun is B minor ulit. So, dun. So, asan ba ako? Goodbye, but I'll never say goodbye. But girl, you make it hard to be faithful. So, naka A minor siya, guys. After nun, after ng B minor, faithful. So, after dyan, A minor, faithful. At saka, pagkatapos, i-slide nyo. Naka F sharp form. So, ganito yung F sharp form. Faithful with the faithful. So, dapat ganun siya. So, nag-slide kayo from second fret. Naka-bar siya. Ganito lang yung space niya. I-slide nyo lang. So, ganun dapat siya tumunog. With the lips of... with the... After na chorus, with the lips of an angel. So, papasok na yung lead part. So, dito rin makikita yung tabs. So, ganito yung lead part. So, after doon is, paulit-ulit lang din itong chords ng D. A minor, A, tsaka C. Sounds so sweet, calling for the lips of an angel. Hearing those words and it makes me weak. Let it die, don't know what to say goodbye. Good girl, you make it hard to be faithful. So, dito na part, guys, is papasok na yung solo. So, yung solo, again, I'll put the tab in here. With the lips of an angel. Tatlong ben. So, ganon yung solo. So, I'll put the tabs above. So, after done, it's really good to hear your voice say my name. It sounds so... So, yung chords dito, guys, is inulit lang. So sweet, calling for the lips of an angel. Hearing those words and makes me weak. Let it die, don't know how to say goodbye. But girl, you make it hard to be faithful. With the lips of an angel. So pagkatapos dyan guys, off nyo yung distortion nyo. Balik kayo sa clean sound. So again, ulitin nyo lang yung intro. How do I call my name so late? So all in all, yun lang yun. Ulit lang na chords yung kanta na to. So thank you for watching for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So baka naman guys, subscribe naman kayo, no? For more videos na ganito. So thank you. Thanks for watching.